Hello everyone, good evening all of you. Welcome to Unify Study. Welcome to Unify Study. All of you are ready? Hello everyone. Percentile. If you want to join the Telegram group, just search with Unify Study. Search with Unify Study. There are two group channel for the Unify Study Computer Science Net JRF and for the paper 1. Just search in the Telegram Unify Study, you will get all everything. So you can join the group and you can join the channel. Okay. Yes. Now let's start the. Here this is the operating system analysis. What are the analysis of operating system? See, there the total number of question was 7. 7 question was there in December 2019, and CPU scheduling 3 question was there from CPU scheduling. Deadlock 1 question, inter-process communication 1 question, semaphore 1 question, and table memory table, that is TLB 1 question. This preemption means one process is running, in that time you are preempting the resources. Preemption means whatever resources is given to a process, that resources we are preempting forcefully. That is, we are preempting that resources and we are giving that resources to another. That's why that is the preemption. Preemption is important, distinguish between preemptive and non-preemptive scheduling. When the preemptive means the operating system moves process from running to ready without processing request, means full complete होने के पहले ही, maybe one process is taking time 5 unit time, but before completing 5 unit, after 2 unit we are preempting the resources, that is called preemption. ठीक है, ठीक है. 8 लाइक देन बाकी डिसलाइक कर दो. ओके कल्याणी, 8 लाइक है तो बाकी डिसलाइक कर दो. एवरीवन कैन डिसलाइक. चलो फटाफट से डिसलाइक कर दो. आई कैन सी 19 लाइव लर्नर्स, 29 लाइव लर्नर्स. चलो डिसलाइक कर दो. ठीक है. तो प्रीम्पशन शेड्यूलिंग, व्हाट आर द प्रीम्पशन शेड्यूलिंग? राउंड रबिन, शॉर्ट टर्म शेड्यूल एंड प्रायोरिटी. These are the preemption scheduling. And non-preemption is shortest job fast and priority. Non-preemptive, that are the non-preemptive. And objective of scheduling, the maximum throughput. What is the objective of scheduling? That is maximum throughput, minimum turnaround time and minimum waiting time and minimum response time. Minimum response time. These are the process scheduling algorithm. ठीक है. Now difference scheduling algorithm. What is the difference? First come first serve, nothing else. जो पहले आएगा उसको पहले resource मिलेगा. Who will come first? He will take the resource first. He will execute his tasks first. Before completing the execution, they will not come. After completing the execution only another process will get the chance. That is the first come first serve. First come first serve suffers from convoy effect. This is very important. Convoy effect. Convoy effect, why? Because convoy, what is convoy? When the prime minister going from the road, so prime minister is going, that's why others are waiting. That is called the convoy effect, because one is there, other process are waiting. So that's why it is called convoy effect. First come first serve, convoy effect is there. That is very important. Shortest job fast. Shortest job fast means which one is short unit of time. To execute short unit is there, short time is required, that is called shortest job fast. Longest job fast for the long time, which is taking long time, it will take the fast. Shortest remaining time fast. Here it is the preemption. Here it is the preemptive mode of shortest job fast, because what is the process? In every one time unit, in every one unit means 1 second, 1 millisecond, whatever unit is there, for every one unit it will check the remaining time. It will check the remaining time, and from the remaining time it will give the chance who is shortest. Only difference is total time, and here it is going for the remaining time. ठीक है. Longest job first, that is some longest remaining, same concept, that every unit, just remember after 1 millisecond always try to check that what is the remaining time. From the remaining time you have to decide that which one is longest, it will take come to the CPU, that are the preemption. ठीक है. Now the priority based, not preemptive. Priority based means there will be an extra row will be there for the priority. According to the priority the algorithm will work. ठीक है. And highest response ratio is not coming in the exam, it is not coming. So this is the quick revision chart for the CPU scheduling. Arrival time, what is arrival time? That is we are writing AT. Arrival time means when the process arrives. Completion time means when the process complete its tasks. Burst time means that is time to required for the CPU execution. Turnaround time means completion time minus arrival time. This is very important. That is turn around time. What is turnaround time? Completion time minus arrival time. Waiting time, what is waiting time? Waiting time is turnaround time minus burst time, that is TAT minus BT. This two is very important. What is turnaround time and what is waiting time, right? And FCFS can uses the waiting time and it is CPU time. Both SJF and shortest remaining term causes from starvation. This chart, last minute chart, this is the last minute revision chart. Starvation, STF, LTF, priority based algo, there is starvation. No starvation, round robin, convoy effect, FCFS. In reality only SJF use होता है ना, but don't know completion time of the process. Yes, reality में completion time we don't know, that's why in reality it is not possible. Yes, you are correct, Survi. Most suitable schedule for algorithm for the real time system, that is preemptive priority scheduling. In the real time system, that is preemptive priority scheduling. Most suitable algorithm for the time sharing system, that is good evening, that is round robin scheduling. Minimum average response ratio is taken, that is SJF, and minimum average response ratio, that is shortest remaining time first. ठीक है, all everything is done. Now disk scheduling. Okay, before going to the disk scheduling I am giving some question. Try to solve the question. one एक क्वेश्चन कर लो तो सारे हो जाएगा. ठीक है. हाँ, अच्छा चलो, फिर से वो गायब हो जाएगा. So I am taking some new sheet. Okay. In which scheduling concept switching never takes place, that is non-preemptive. In non-preemptive no switching. ठीक है. Now I am giving some question. Try to do the question so that all the revision will be done. Arrival time and burst time, that is 1 0 4 2 1 3, then 3 1 3 2 3 2 1, then 4 3 2, then 5 4 5. Okay, 1 0 4 2 1 3 3 2 1 4 3 2 5 4 5. ठीक है. Try to solve in FCFS. In FCFS, what will be the average turnaround time and what will be the average waiting time? Try to solve. In non-primitive there is no switching. सहजादी in non-primitive there is no switching, मतलब आप प्रिम्ट ही नहीं कर रहे हो. Switching कब होता है? When the switching is going on, when one process is working, its work is not done and you are primping the resources from that process. That is called primping. So when you are in the non-primitive, there is no chance of preemption. When one process is started his work, then before finishing his work, we cannot preempt. So there is no switching. ठीक है? Try to solve this one. Sunita, now I learned that how to add the new pages. थैंक यू. ये गायब नहीं होगा. बार बार गायब हो जाते हैं ना, आज गायब नहीं होगा. आंसर आंसर एवरीवन आंसर. Okay, Sanjeev is giving the answer. Sanjeev, try to check your answer. I think you have done some mistake. Thank you, Sunita. Sanjeev, I think you have done some mistake. Waiting time, average waiting time. Yes, Sunita okay, correct. Sunita is correct. What about others? Yes, Survi were correct. Survi also correct. Sanjeev, please check your calculation. You have done some mistake. Check your calculation. You have done some mistake. Swarnopriya, you are correct. So arrival time, burst time. Now we have to write completion time. After that we have to write turnaround time. After that we have to write waiting time. After that we have to write response time. Right. Now NAT chart. We have to create the NAT chart. How it is going on. So from arrival time 0, we have to start from the 0. At the time of 0, arrival time was 0 and process was 1. So okay, P1 will come. After that P2 will come. After that P3 will come. After that P4 will come. After that P5 will come. Right. So P1 is 4. After that 7, after that 8, after that 10, after that 15. In that way it will do. So completion time, what is the completion time? Completion time is 4 and here the completion time is after 4, that is here is 7. 7 is the completion time and here for the P3 8 is completion time. For the P4 10 is the completion time. For the P5 15 is the completion time, right? Now TAT, turnaround time. What is turnaround time? Turnaround time is completion time minus arrival time. Completion time minus arrival time. So completion time is 4, arrival time is 0. 4, 7, 1, that is 6, and here 8, 2, that is 6, here 10, 3, that is 7, here 15, 4, that is 11. Now waiting time. Waiting time, what is waiting time? Waiting time equals to turnaround time minus burst time, right? So turnaround time is 4, burst time is 4, 0, turnaround time 3, 6, burst time 3, 3, 6, 1, that is 5, and after that 7, 2, that is 5, after that 11, 5, that is 6, right? So what will be? This will be, you have, if you do turnaround time by 5, that will come 6.8. This is turnaround time is coming 6.8, and this is 3.8. 3.8 is coming and 6.8 is coming. मैम लाइट नहीं है, आई जस्ट वॉचिंग. आँख खराब हो जाएगा प्रियंका, प्रियंका जोशी, आँख खराब हो जाएगा, ऐसा मत करो. Right? So this is the answer. Now solve next one. Now solve next one. Now SJF. Now shortest job fast. I am giving process number, arrival time, burst time. अगर लाइट नहीं है तो आप आँख के ऊपर इतना प्रेशर मत डालो. अंधेरा में मोबाइल देखना सही नहीं है. एग्ज़ाम के पहले इतना प्रेशर मत डालो. टेक रेस्ट. लाइट जब आ जाएगा तब आप ये देख लो, रिकॉर्डिंग देख लो, ठीक है? एग्ज़ाम के पहले कोई भी रिस्क मत लो. एकदम पूरा केयरफुल, बहुत केयरफुल रहना, क्योंकि अगर आँख ख़राब हो जाएगा, आँख में प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा, या नहीं तो तबीयत ख़राब हो जाएगा, तो आप एग्ज़ाम नहीं दे पाओगे. एग्ज़ाम के पहले नो रिस्क. चलो, नाउ ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस. Try to solve average again here, that is average turnaround time and average waiting time. Sinu, your answer is coming late. Try to do the answer for the SJF. Answer everyone, try to answer. Yes, Sanjeev. Yes, you are correct, Sanjeev. Sanjeev, you are correct. What happened with others? How to solve? How to solve? See, you have to prepare the NAT chart. First you have to prepare from the 0. Is there any arrival time 0? Is there any arrival time 0? No, no 0 is there. So 0 to 1 it will be idle. It will be idle. Now arrival time 1. In the time of arrival time, who arrive? Only process 1 arrive. Any other process arrive? No other process arrive at the time 1. This is the trick here. As there is SGF, you can think that according to the burst time, this is the less. According to the burst time, the P3 is less. But P3 arrive at time 3. T3 I have 3 hours, मतलब 3 बजे. 1 बजे at 1 o'clock already P1 arrived. But P3 arrived at 3 o'clock. So at the time of 1 o'clock, who will start? At the time of 1 o'clock, who will start? Survi, you are wrong. 1 o'clock के कौन start करेगा? Arrival time. You have to check the arrival time also. At that time, in the time arrival time 1, who will arrive? Only P1 arrived. Hema is also wrong. Only P1 arrived. You have to check the arrival time. Don't forget to check the arrival time. You are watching only the burst time. If you watch only the burst time, it is I have 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Now you are in the position 1 o'clock. At the time of 1 o'clock, who came? Only the P1 came. P2 did not came. P3 did not came. So at that time P1 will take the resource. The resource is phi and P1 wants to continue and P1 already arrived. So why you are waiting? You have to give the chance to P1. Right? Now when P1 already get, it is no preemption. SJF is no preemption, right? So already P1 get the chance means it will be till 8. After that, at the time of 8 o'clock, all are arrived. It is arrived at 2 o'clock, it is arrived at 3 o'clock, it is arrived at 4 o'clock, it is arrived at 5 o'clock. Now the time is 8 o'clock. So at the time of 8 o'clock, all are arrived. Now you have to check who is less, whose time is, job time is less, shortest job first. Now see, now this P3 is less here, right? So now P3 will come. That will be till 9, 1, then after that P3 done, after that 2 is less, so 2 will come, that is P4 will come, so it will be 11, and after that 5 will come, that is the 5, then P2 will come, that will be 13, and after that P5 will come, that will be 13 plus 8, I have done any mistake, not 13 nahi hai, it is 16, it is 16, 13 nahi, that is 16, P2 5, 11 plus 5, that is 16, and 16 after that finally P5 will come, 16 plus 18, that is 24. At 2 shortest 1 come now, P2 will run. Why? What, Sunita? As 2 shortest 1 come now, P2 will run first. How P2 will run first? How P2 will run first? It is the arrival time and this is the bus time. This is arrival time. Yes, it's not primitive. It is tailed SJF. Plain SJF is always non-primitive. It is mentioned. If it is mentioned that primitive SJF, then you have to go for preemption. Plain SJF, plain shortest job fast is always non-primitive. ठीक है? Yes. Always plain shortest job first is always non-primitive. If in question primitive is not mentioned, then don't go for the primitive. Only say SJF is always non-primitive. ठीक है? Always non-primitive. If it is mentioned that is primitive shortest job, then go for the preemption. Otherwise, don't go for the preemption. ठीक है? So what will be the answer? What will be the answer? You can do now. Write that is completion time, and after that turn around time, and after that waiting time. No. Shortest job first means not first come first serve. Don't think like that. Shortest job first means not first come first serve. But at the time of at the time when you are starting, at that point of time, those which process are already arrived, from them you have to check that who is shortest. Prachi, try to clear your concept. SJF is not FCFS. FCFS नहीं है. But आप ये सोचो कि when the time is 1 o'clock, at this time what of the processes already arrived? You have to check that what of the processes already arrived. From that processes you have to check which burst time is less. Which burst time is less. Then from that you have to take the shortest job first. अगर arrive ही नहीं हुआ, if any process is not arrived at all, then how you can apply? You don't know who will arrive. How you will know the future? At the time of 1 o'clock, how you will know the future? कोई भी machine, it is a machine. How the machine will know that at the time of 3 o'clock one process will come? That burst time will be low. Always you have to check the clock. At the time of clock, at that time what are the process available? From the available processes you have to check which one is shortest. ठीक है? Which one is shortest? Yes, now Surbi you are correct. Now Surbi, Sarita, all of you are correct. Completion time is here 8. After that here it is 8, after that 16, after that 9, after that 11, after that 24, and TAT that is 7, after that it is 14, and this is 6, that is 7, this is 19, and waiting time is 0, 9, 5, 5, 11. This will be 53 and this will be 30. So 53 by 5. 53 by 5 that will be 10.6, 30 by 5 that will be 6. 6 and 10.6 is the answer. 10.6 and 6 is the answer. Turnaround time is 10.6 and waiting time is 6. It is non-preemptive, Jyoti. It is non-preemptive. It is not preemptive. It is non-preemptive. ठीक है? It is not preemptive. It is non-preemptive. Got it? Got it? Yes. Now I am going for SRTF. Now I am giving an example of shortest remaining time fast. shortest remaining time first, that is SRTF. This is primitive. This is called primitive. Thank you ma'am. Mind is blank. No, mind is not blank. That's why I am telling always revision is required. क्या होते हैं ना कि एग्ज़ाम के पहले कुछ कुछ सब्जेक्ट होता है. सम सब्जेक्ट वी आर इग्नोरिंग, सम सब्जेक्ट वी आर थिंकिंग इट इज़ वेरी इजी, इट इज़ डन ऑलरेडी, बट दैट इज़ द black hole for you. Always it is happening. Sometimes we are going for the difficult topic and we are trying to gather all the difficult topic, we are trying to do all the difficult topic, but we are ignoring the subject. We ignore the subject what is already done. That's why practice is required. From the morning I saw so many messages, I saw in the group that no, some person are telling for the operating system, but most of the person are telling for data structure, algorithm, even also optimization. But don't do the mistake in the exam hall also and at the time of revision also. Always try to do what is your in hand, what is easy. First try to complete the easy topic, first try to do the revision, because 1 marks is 2 marks is very important. That's why always revision is important. Okay, revision करना ही है, revision नहीं करोगे तो आप फंस जाओगे. ठीक है. Now I am giving this P number, arrival time, and whatever example I am giving you, that is the from this example all the concept will be clear. Always I am trying to write down the example, what are the little bit different example, and from one example everything will be clear. That's why I am giving you this example. Okay, 107,215 and 322, then 431, then 542, then 651. ज्योति, हेमा, सुरभि, सरिता, बिबेन, प्राची, सीनू, स्वर्णप्रिया, मोनाली. What about others? Sanjeev, Survi. Try to solve, everyone try to solve. Good evening Ruhi. We are practicing operating system, try to practice with us. Okay Kallani, now you are live. Okay, try to solve Kallani. Try to solve this Kallani. SRTF is shortest remaining time first. Just like shortest job first, but primitive. Every time unit you have to check the remaining time. For every 1 unit of time, after 1 millisecond you can take, that is after 1 unit you have to check the remaining time, and according to the remaining time you have to apply SJF, shortest job first. ठीक है. yes, remaining time for every one unit. एक यूनिट एग्जीक्यूट करो, एक यूनिट के बाद फिर चेक करो. Try to start from 0 and after that you have to do that how much is remaining. I think so many students are not getting. ठीक है, I am showing you how to do. First is 0. At the time of 0, who arrived? Only P1 arrived. Other than that, no arrived. No arrived, right? Only one arrived, right? So that's why we have to write P1. Then 1 unit. You have to always execute 1 unit. After execution of 1 unit, what is the bus time here? That is 6. That is 6, right? Now check at the time of 1 in this time 1 o'clock. Just think that is 1 o'clock. At the time of 1 o'clock, who arrived? Already 2 arrived. So within 5 and 6, who is less? Here the remaining time is 6. Here the remaining time is 5. Who is less? Less is 5. 5 is less now, right? Now who will come? That is P2 will come. Then after that again you have to execute 1 unit, that is 2. Now 2 o'clock, and after this what will be? That is 4 now, right? This is 4 now because 1 already execute. Now at the time of 2 o'clock, who arrived? Already this one arrived. Already P3 arrived. Any other else? No. Now you have to check 6, 4 and 2. 6, 4 and 2. Who is less? 2 is less here, right? Now who will come? Who will execute? P3 will execute 1 unit. 1 unit P3 will execute. That is 3, right? 3. Now 2 will, here will be 1. Now at the time of 3 o'clock, at the time of 3 o'clock, who arrived? Already P4 arrived. P4 already arrived. Now you have to check. Here is 1, here is 1, here is 4 and here is 6. So who is less? Here is 1 and here is 1. Both are less. Now the tie. Now there is the tie between 3 and 4 because both remaining time is 1, right? Now you have to break the tie. There is the tie that here it is also 1 and P4 is also 1. Now what? Who will execute? Who will execute at that time? So here you can execute anyone. Means I am executing the P4 because P4 arrived now and here that is the 1. That's why I am executing P4. ठीक है? So P4 is executing. So P4 execute होने के बाद that will be 0 and here it will be 4. 4 now. Now at the time of 4, who arrived? Already P4, P5 arrived. Now what are the remaining time? What are the remaining time? This is 2, this is 1, this is 4 and this is 6. So who is less? Less is 1. 1 is less, means P3 will come. So I am executing P3. So P3 will take, that will be 5 and it will be 0. Now at the time of 5, at the time of 5, who arrived? Who arrived? Already this is 5, means P6. P6 will arrive. So now this is 1. This is 1, this is 2, this is 0, this is 0, means it is already done. This is 4 and this is 6. So who are there? 6, 4, 2 and 1. So who is less? 1 is less definitely. So after P3, who will execute? Am I done? P1, P2, P3, P4. P3. Okay. Now who will execute? There after that who is left? That is P6. P6 is left, right? So P6 will execute. P6 execute होगा तो 7. It will be 7. After that P6 will be 0. Now at the time of 7, all arrived, right? All arrived. So all arrived हो गए तो क्या होगा? 7. Now try to check. This is 0 and this is 2. This is 2, this is 6 and this is 4. So who is less? Who is less? P5 is less. P5 less हो रहा है मतलब that will be 9, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will be 6 and it will be 6. Then P5 will arrive. So P5 will be here. Now you have to check. This is 2, this is 4 and this is 6. Now you can execute all. Now no need to check after 1 unit because all are arrived now. In that point of time, this is 6 o'clock. At that point of time, all arrived. There is nothing process left. Now no need to do the preemption. Yes, you can execute P3. Yes, here you can execute P3, you can execute here P4. For the tie breaking, you can use it, when the ties come, you can do the FCFS. You can do the FCFS. When the tie is coming, you can do the FCFS. Here P3 will come, here P4 will come. That you can do. ठीक है? So P6, after that P5. No, P2 will not complete. No, it is shortest remaining time first. Every 1 unit time you have to check who is remaining. Every 1 unit time you have to check who is remaining. It is preemption. That's why the preemption is going on. Okay, Sarita? That's why the preemption is going on, and according to Sanjeev, what you are telling, that is correct. According to FCFS, because when the ties come, you can apply the FCFS. So here 1 and here 1, both are 1. So here you can take P3 according to the FCFS because of tie breaking. When there is tie, you can break the tie using FCFS. ठीक है? Yes, you can do that. P3, after that P4. So then P6, then P9. Now why I am taking this, because at the time of 6, who are there? Who are left? That is P5 is left. So P5 will be 8. P5 left, that is 8. After that who is left? After that P2 is left. P2 is 4, that is 12. And after that who is left? P1 is left. P1 how much? That is 6. That will be P1 12, after that 6, that will be 18. ठीक है? Clear हुआ? How it is going on? P5 city time is 8 na. P5 completion time is 8 na. हाँ, net chart same. This net chart is coming. Same बना net chart तो same बना. मिल गया नेट चार्ट यही होगा. कंफ्यूजन क्लियर? एनीवन हैव एनी डाउट? हाउ टू डू, इज इट क्लियर? Yes, I have corrected. That is 8. This is 8. And this is 12. This is 18. ठीक है? Now same way you have to fill. Now same way you have to fill the completion time. Completion time fill करो, P1 is 18 and P2 is 12. In that way same way you have to fill. ठीक है, सेम वे फिल करो तो आंसर आ जाएगा. ठीक है, इज इट क्लियर? आंसर कितना होगा? आंसर होगा यहाँ पे आंसर होगा I think 42. 42 will be answer for the turnaround time. Turnaround time 42 and waiting time will be 23. ऐसा ही आएगा. Turnaround time will be 42. Yes, 42. Right? And how many processes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 processes are there. Actually I have what are the question? Actually according to this question, actually whatever done in my some mistake I have done when I have given the question. Actually there was the burst time 7, 5, 3, 1, 2, 7, 5, 3, 1, 2, 1. ठीक है, and arrival time was 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here I have changed the data. Here I have given 2. Here I have given 2. ठीक है, maybe 32 is 38 can become. 38 can become because here it was I have given 2 but in my notebook it was 3. It was 3. ठीक है, that's why maybe answer can be changed. Definitely answer will be changed here because here at the time of writing I have given 2 but the actual question was 3. Actual question was 3. So according to 3 the answer is coming average turnaround time. According to 3 the answer is coming 43. That is 43 by 6 is 7.166. ठीक है, and waiting time is coming 24 by 6 that is 4. ठीक है, according to these 3 but here the data is changed. According to that was my mistake. So here I have given 2. That's why answer can be changed. Answer can be 38. 38 हो सकता है. Answer can be here. You are telling 38 and 23. That can. It can be 38. ठीक है. Okay. Because here some changes will be there because of 2. Okay. Just try with 3. Just you can try the same question with 3. The answer will come this. The answer will come 43 by 6. That will 7.66 and that will be, it will be 24 by 6, that is 4. Okay. And Survi, you can do with this. Just change the data. Whatever you can change the burst time. If you want to do the practice, just change the burst time and after changing the burst time you can do by yourself. Any burst time, take any burst time as per your choice and you can do the practice. ठीक है. Yes. Now come to the point of round robin. Now round robin. Now round robin, that is I am giving you the question. This is round robin. This is round robin. Round robin, P number, arrival time and burst time. 1 0 4. After that 2 1 5. After that 3 2 2. After that 4 3 1. After that 5 4 6, and after that 6 6 3. Try to do using round robin. Using round robin scheduling. Here the time quantum is 2. Time quantum equals to 2. 1 0 4 2 1 5 3 2 2 4 3 1 5 4 6 6 6 3. Yes. Time quantum is 2 here. Same question, that is what is the turnaround time. Question is what is average turnaround time and what is turnaround time and waiting time. हाँ, इसमें बहुत प्रिंट होगा, बहुत सारा प्रिंट होगा इसमें। आपको दो यू हैव टू फॉलो 2 क्यू बनाना पड़ता है आपको। वन विल बी प्रोसेस क्यू एंड अनदर विल बी नेट चार्ट। वन विल बी प्रोसेस क्यू, अनदर विल बी नेट चार्ट। Okay, good, Sunita. No, Sunita, wrong answer. Wrong answer, Sunita. no. Yes, Manish is correct. No, Manish is also wrong. Manish, I think you have टाइप करने के टाइम आप गलत किए हैं मनीष. At the time of typing you have done some mistake, I think. Manish, check, you have write 3.7. See, all of you are again confused. Please try to practice. ठीक है. See how to do, see that is, try to write down here NAC chart. I am writing here. This is your NAC chart. Okay, and this is your process queue. You have to maintain two things. One will be your process queue, another will be your NAC chart. ठीक है. How to do? First is 0. At the arrival time will be 0. So which one arrived? Arrival time 0, that is only P1. P1 will arrive, right? So we have to write P1 here. P1 you have to write. So here the bus time. How much bus time? Bus time is 4 here, but time quantum is 2. So you have to execute till 2. That will be 2. Okay. Now P1 is leaving. At this time of 2, the remaining is 2. And at this time who arrived? Who already arrived? Now here in the process queue P1 was first. P1 first आया था, P1 first execute हो गए. So at this time 2 who arrived already? This one, that is process 2 and process 3 already arrived. So whenever one is leaving means you are printing one, then you have to check who is already arrived, and you have to write that in the process queue. That is P2 already arrived and P3 already arrived, right? P2 and P3 already arrived at that time too. So after P2 and P3 you have to write again P1, because you are printing P1 and P1 did not do her work, means finish नहीं हुआ. P1 did not finish his work. That's why you have to write again P1. Now in the process queue who is there? P2. P2 is there. Just cut the P2. P2 is there. Now P2 will execute till 4 because time quantum is 2. Now check. After 2, that is how much remaining? 3. 3 is remaining. Now at the time of 4. At the time of 4, who already arrived? Who already arrived? This one, that is P4 and P5 already arrived. So you have to write here P4 and P5. After that P2. P4, P5 लिख लो. After that P2. Okay. Now P2 is done. So after that who is there in the process? Who is there? That is P3. P3 is there. Cut P3. Now P3 will execute till 6 or 2 quantum. So after executing P3 it will be 0. Now at the time of 6 who arrived? Already arrived at the time of 6. See, that is P6 is already arrived. P6 is already arrived. Now what you have to write? That you have to write here P6 already arrived. After that P3. P3 already done. No need to write P3 because P3 already done, right? Because here is 0 already. So no need to write P3. Got it? No need to write P3. So till now who have done already? That is P1, P2, P3 here, P1, P2, P3. Then after that P1 is here. Then P4, P5, P6, P2, P6 is there. Okay. So P3 done her work. Now here who is remaining? That is P1. So write down here P1, cut P1 here. P1 will execute. How much is there? That is 2 and 2 quantum you have, that is 8. Now it will be 0. It is 0. Now at the time of 8, anyone is remaining? No. Here already 6 is done. No one is remaining. And Is there anything remaining for P1? No. So no need to write again P1. P1 लिखने का कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Now who is remaining? That is P4. P4. P4 यहाँ पे कट करो. And here how much P4 will execute? Till 10. P4 will till 10, but here is 1. So till 9. Till 9 it will execute because here is 1. And cut this. It is again 0. So no need to again push the P1. P4. P4 is already done. Now come to the point who is remaining, that is P5. P5 is remaining, right? Now P5, check for P5, that is 6. But time quantum is how much? That is 2. So 9, 10, 11. 11. So now how much remaining here? 2 already done. How much remaining? That is 4 is remaining. So again you have to, here P5 already done, but you have to print P5, but P5 did not complete its tasks. P5 का टास्क अभी तक कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है. That's why again you have to write P5 here, right? P5 you have to write again here. Now who is, that is P2. P2 will come. So P2 will come here. How much? There is 3. But you can execute only 2. That is 11, 12, 13. Now here it will be 1. Now again you have to push P2 because P2 is still remaining. Still P2 is remaining. So here P2 is done. Now who is remaining? P6. P6 is remaining. For the P6 how much time is remaining? There is 3, but your time quantum is 2. So 15. 15 हो गए 6, but till here 1 is remaining. After this 2, 1 is remaining, right? So now again you have to write here P6 because P6 is still remaining. Now who is remaining? P5. P5. P5 how much remaining? There is 4 remaining, but you have time quantum 2, that way you can execute still 17. Now it will be 2. So P5 you have to cut. After that again you have to push P5 here because till now 2 is remaining. Okay. So after P5 who is again? P2. P2 again come. Now for the P2 how much remaining? 1. That's why it will be 18. Now P2 is done and it is 0. P2 is done. P2 is finished. Now again P6 will come. P6. P6 how much? That is 1 is remaining. Now that will be 19. P6 done, it will be 0. Now no need to push P6. Finally who is remaining? P5. P5 is remaining. For the P5 how much? 2. That is 21. ठीक है? That is 21. P5 will come. That is 21. Finally this is coming 21. Got it? P1, P2, P3, P1, P4, P5, P2, P6, P5, P2, P6, P5, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 18, 19, 21. Yes, this is the NAT chart. This is the final NAT chart. सो गए क्या आप लोग? So answer will come. Same you have to answer will come. That is average turnaround time will be 65 by 6. That is 10.83. And waiting time will be, average waiting time will be 44 by 6. That is 7.3. Yes. For the round robin you have to maintain extra queue, otherwise you will be not able to do. Always try to take the extra queue, that is the process queue. आपको process queue करना ही है. जिंदा है. जिंदा तो रहना ही पड़ेगा. Try to do this question at least 5 times. Same question. Try to do at least 5 times. 5 times खुद से solve करो, then you will get. ठीक है. Now how I am doing? Actually this confidence is came after doing at least 10 to 20 times. 10 to 20 times I have practiced from last 2 years. Same question from last 2 years I am doing. जागते रहो. यस, जागते रहो. ठीक है. So try to do this question at least 20 times and at least 5 times. 20 times तो नहीं possible है, 5 times करो, then you will get. And whenever you are getting confused, try to watch the recording. ठीक है. I know round robin is little bit confusing, but when you will get the how the process is going on, then definitely you will be able to solve. Okay. Yes. So I think पेशेंस तो रहना ही पड़ेगा. Now one you can do, that is longest job first. longest job first एक बार कर लो. नहीं, एग्जाम में ये नहीं आएगा. मैम दिस इज लेंथी प्रॉब्लम, हाउ टू सॉल्व क्विकली. नो ऑप्शन फॉर क्विकली सॉल्व. देखो एग्जाम में इतना बड़ा नहीं आएगा. इन द NTA NET definitely they will not give any example like that. I am giving the lengthy example, I am giving the tricky example, so that from one example your all concept will be clear and any question you will be able to attend. I can give you a small question, but that from that small question your concept will be not clear. That is my strategy. Less is more. I will solve only one question and repetitively I am solving. Trust me, when I am going for NET, when I am going for GATE, every time last 2 years, when every time I am solving only this one question while practicing. And this is my strategy. I am not going for so many questions. One question we will do, but from that one question every concept should be clear, so that any other question you can be solved easily. No problem will be there. ठीक है. हाँ भाई यही आएगा. ठीक है. Practice. Try to practice. If you do the practice, you can solve it within 2 minutes. Trust me. How much time I take? I give you explanation. That's why it is time taking. But when you will do, we will do the revision, you will practice, it will take only 2 minutes. 2 minutes से ज़्यादा नहीं लगते. Just mind cool. Your mind should be cool. ठीक है. Now longest job first एक बार कर लो. अगर आ गए तो बोलोगे कि मैम longest job first आपने नहीं करवाए थे, longest job first ही आ गए, तो वो भी कर लो. Sorry, 1 0 3 1 0 3 2 1 2 3 2 4 4 3 5 5 4 6. Try to do. No सुनीता, डोंट डू दैट. कोई भी क्वेश्चन पे दिल पे मत लगाओ. ऐसा दिल पे कोई भी क्वेश्चन को मत लगाओ, ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है, वो आपको बस खराब कर देगा। दिल पे कोई भी क्वेश्चन को मत लो, ऐसा मत करो, डोंट डू दैट मिस्टेक। कोई भी क्वेश्चन पे दिल पे मत करो, ठीक है। ऐसा मत सोचो कि ये क्वेश्चन मुझे करना ही पड़ेगा, नो, all question are same, all question are same, all question have 2 marks, that is your important. One question if you are not getting, just skip it. 1 second, within 1 second, if you in the first round, now I give you one trick, that is the 3 hours, exam is 3 hours, ठीक है। So how to solve, how to attempt the question, I will upload a video, but now I am telling you because Sunita is telling 3 hours is there and you have 150 question, 150 question you have. Just try to divide 3 hours in 3 part, that is first 1 hour, second 1 hour and third 1 hour. 3 part will be there. First 1 hour, first 1 hour you have to do only skip, that is within 1 second or 30 second, 1 second तो नहीं होगा, within 30 second whatever question you can solve, within 30 second whatever question you can solve, just solve it and next question, go to next question. If you are not able to solve, just keep it. If you think I can able to solve within 1 minute, then just mark for review and just mark one anything, don't do it blank, just एक भी आंसर पे मार्क करो and do it mark for review. In that way 150 question, go for 150 question, then again come back for the next hour, again come back and then check what are the question mark for review, ठीक है, what are the question mark for review, then do that. In that way if you are solving, then definitely you will be able to solve more and more question and you will get more marks. Otherwise you will lose your time, like सुनीता जैसे किया था कि दिल पे ले लोगे तो आपका प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा। कोई भी क्वेश्चन आप दिल पे मत लगाओ, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है कि मुझे ये करना ही पड़ेगा, आप घर पे आके करो, आपको घर पे आके बहुत टाइम मिलेगा, आप घर पे आके करो, बट एग्जाम हॉल में कोई भी क्वेश्चन को दिल पे मत लगाओ, कोई भी क्वेश्चन को नहीं, जो हो रहा है उसको करते रहो। एंड ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि लास्ट 10 मिनट है उसी टाइम को आपका बहुत सारा कोई भी क्वेश्चन ऐसा है जो आप नहीं देखे हो, ऐसा मत करो, ठीक है। मैं भी ऐसे गलती करती हूँ, डोंट डू दैट मिस्टेक, ओके। हाँ कल्याणी, क्या मैम ये परमानेंट होगा है, में प्रिंट होगा नहीं, लॉन्गेस्ट जॉब फास्ट, देखो प्रिंट मतलब ऑलवेज देयर विल बी रिमेनिंग, प्रिंट कब होता है, अदरवाइज दे विल टेल यू दैट इज प्रिम्पशन और दे विल टेल यू रिमेनिंग, रिमेनिंग मतलब प्रिंट or they will mention print. If they are not mentioning any print or remaining, means that is same, that is no nothing preemption, no preemption, ठीक है, that is no preemption, okay, no preemption होगा जब remaining नहीं है, यहाँ पे remaining होगा तो वो preemption होगा, और primitive it will mention the primitive, then it will be primitive, otherwise no, ठीक है। yes, try to do. आंसर बताओ, आंसर, व्हाट विल बी द आंसर, लॉन्गेस्ट जॉब फास्ट, नो प्रिम्पशन, प्रीम्पशन नो प्रीम्पशन में कंफ्यूज मत हो. प्रीम्पशन मतलब कुछ मेंशन होगा, मेंशन नहीं है तो डेफिनेटली दैट इज नो प्रीम्पशन. ओके, सुरभि इज गिविंग द आंसर. Okay, so what will be the NAT chart? Same NAT chart you have to do. Arrival time 0. At the time of 0, who came? Already P1 came, only P1 came. That's why it will be till 3. At the time of 3, who came? 1, 2, 3. 3 came. That is 1, 2, 3. 3 came. Now who is longest? Longest one is here P4. P4 is longest one. That's why it will be till 8. Now at the time of 8 already this one arrived. Who is longest? P5 is longest. P5. So P5 will be 8 plus 6, that is 14. 14 होगा. Now after that P5 who is longest? That is P3. Then P3 will come. P3 होगा. P3 will be till 18. 18. After that P3 done. After that who is longest? That is P1 तो already done. P2 is there remaining, that is P2, that is 20. ठीक है. This will be the NAT chart. This will be the NAT chart. Completion time will be 3, then 20, then 18, then 8, then 14, and turnaround time will be, turnaround time is 3, 19, 16, 5 and 10, and average time will be, waiting time will be 0, 17, 12, 0, 4. Okay, same is coming. Got it? Longest job fast, longest job fast, clear? Now try to solve longest remaining fast. Now try to solve longest don't do mistake. From the CPU scheduling 2 to 3 question every time coming. Longest remaining time first. Longest remaining time first. Process number, arrival time, burst time, that is 1, 1, 2, then 2, 2, 4, 3, 3, 6, 4, 4, 8. Same coming till now. Okay. Now this is preemption. This is longest remaining means this is preemption. ठीक है, this is preemptive. Now here you have to do preemptive. सो गए क्या? कर रहे हो ना? This is called longest remaining time. नींद मुझे ही नहीं आते, सबको नींद आते, मुझे ही नींद नहीं आते आजकल। पता है मुझे, मैं जब 2 o'clock 3 o'clock जाती हूँ ना सोने, तब भी मुझे नींद नहीं आते। तब भी मुझे लगता है अरे क्या होगा, ये पढ़ाना पड़ेगा, ये बाकी है, ये वेबसाइट में अपलोड करना पड़ेगा, ये नोट्स डालना पड़ेगा, यही दिमाग में मेरा घूमते रहते हैं सारे दिन भर, मुझे ही नींद नहीं आते। हाँ ठीक है, देखो 0 0 is there anyone arrival time 0? No. So now at the time of arrival time 1, who came, that is only P1 came. So try to do P1. Now remaining time means always after 1 unit you have to check every time. Remaining means you have to check every unit, you have to check. After 1 millisecond you have to check, after 1 millisecond you have to check, right? So P1 came, so P1 will execute till 2. Now at the time of 2, who came? Already P2 came, so P2 will execute and here it will be 1. Now P2 will execute till 3, now it will be 3. Now at the time of 3, who arrived? Already P3 arrived, so P3 yes, longest is P3 is longest, that's why P3 will come. Now P3 will execute till 4. Now at the time of 4, who arrived? That is already 4 is arrived, and 8 is longest, that's why P4 will execute, and 6 will be now 5. P3 already done, so 5. Now P4 will come, that is 8, so it will be 5 and it will be 7. Now everyone arrived, now at this time everyone arrived, now no problem. Now again you have to do what? That is 7, that is how much there is? 7 is there. So who will execute now? P4. After P4 who will execute? That is P1 done, P2 done, P3 done, P4 done. Now at that time of 5, who will execute? That is 7 is there, so again P4 will execute. It will be 6 now, and it will be again 6, right? Now who will execute? Here is also 6, so again P4 will execute and it will be 5 and it will be 7. Now these are same, now both are same. When there is the this is 5 and this is 5, when there are the tie, when there is the tie, then you can break the tie using first come first serve. ठीक है, you can break the tie using first come first serve. So P1, P2, P3, P4, P4 and again P4. After that there is tie, that's why P3 will come. ठीक है, P3 will execute till 8, that is 8 and it will be now 4. Now who is there? That is again P4 is there, P4 will come, again it will be 4 now, and it is 9 now, right? And at this time again tie, again there is tie, there P3 will come, P3 will come, and finally P3 के बाद it will be 10 and it will be 3, again P4 will come. In that way you have to do P11, then after that P2, P2 that will be 12 because 3 is done, after that P2 will be 12, after that P3 will be 13, after that P4 will be 14, P2 will be 15, then P3 यहाँ पे लिखती हूँ, या इसके बाद यहाँ पे बिकॉज इट विल नॉट शो, सो हेयर P3 विल बी 15 के बाद P3 that is 16, now P4 that will be 17 and P2 that will be 11, then again P2 that will be 19, then again P3 that will be 20, then P4 that is 21. This is the answer. ऐसे आएगा आंसर, बहुत लंबा एक नेट चार्ट आएगा, दैट इज द आंसर, बहुत लंबा एक नेट चार्ट आएगा, ठीक है? इसको मैं फ्रेशली लिख देती हूँ, मैं फ्रेशली एक जगह पे लिख देती हूँ, यहाँ पे नेट चार्ट ऐसा लंबा एक नेट चार्ट आएगा, जस्ट वन बाय वन यू हैव टू डू 0 1, then P1, then 2, P2 will be 3, P3 will be 4, P4 will be 5, after that again P4 that is 6, again P4 that is 7, again P3 that is 8, then P4 that is 9, then P3 that is 10, then again P4 that is 11, P2 that is 12, P3 that is 13, P4 that is 14, P2 that is 15, P3 that is 16, P4 that is 17, P2 that is 18, again P2 that is 19, this P1, then P3 that is 20 and P4 that is 21. This is the answer. ठीक है? हाँ, टर्न अराउंड टाइम सारे 17, टर्न अराउंड टाइम एवरी वन विल बी 17, all of them will be 17 17 17 17 like that way, and waiting time will come, that is 15 13 11 9. Okay, chart is same, Hema, good, very good. Now longest remaining first is done. हो सारे प्रोसेस शेड्यूलिंग आज ख़त्म करना है, बाकी 2 है, नॉन प्रिम्प्टिव प्रायोरिटी शेड्यूलिंग एंड प्रिम्प्टिव प्रायोरिटी शेड्यूलिंग. Is it clear? Non-preemptive priority scheduling. Now I have to go for non-preemptive priority scheduling. Can I go for next? Okay. Next one is non-preemptive priority scheduling. Non-preemptive priority scheduling अभी कर लो. One, two, 0, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2, then 3, 6, 2, 3, 4, 10, 3, 5, 5, 8, 4, 1, 6, 12, 5, 4, 7, 9, 6, 6. Do it. Do it. 1, 2, 0, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 4, 10, 4, 10, 3, 5, 5, 8, 4, 1, 6, 12, 5, 4, 7, 9, 6, 6. Yes. Try to do it. What you are asking? Lower number is highest priority? Yes. Yes. 2 is highest priority. 2 is highest. 2 is highest. Lower number highest priority. Yes. Just I am showing you the NAT chart, how the NAT chart is coming. Arrival time 0. Again same for all the algorithm, for all the scheduling algorithm. Always remember that arrival time you have to check at that time slot what are the process available. From that available process you have to apply algorithm. ठीक है, for everything, For every algorithm, just you have to check at that time slot who are available, and according to that you have to check the algorithm. ठीक है, अवेलेबल ही नहीं है तो आप कैसे अप्लाई करोगे, राइट? सो हेयर द अराइवल टाइम 0, एट द टाइम 0 अराइवल ओनली P1 इज देयर. ठीक है, सो P1 will come. Now it is non-preemption, so P1 will finish its work. Now at the time of 4, arrival time, everyone came. At this time everyone came. Now whose priority is highest? Here the 4, that is the priority. That's why P2 will run. That's why sorry, here the priority was the 10 means sorry, here in the priority there is the mistake. 10 means highest priority, okay, means greater means greater priority, lowest means highest नहीं है, highest means highest priority. Highest means highest priority, means high number, the number, maximum number, maximum, who is maximum, that is the highest priority. ठीक है, who is maximum, that is the highest priority here. ठीक है, so here you can see at the time of 4, at this time of 4 who arrived, only P5, P4, these are arrived. Now here the 10 is maximum. 10 is maximum. Sorry Sunita, I gave you wrong information. So according to my information, if you are doing, that is okay, but it is the highest priority is here. Sometimes I am also getting confused with this priority, who is highest. Highest means highest priority, ठीक है. If anything is not mentioned in the question, then take the maximum number is highest priority. What is the maximum number, that is the highest priority, ठीक है. So P4 will execute here, that will execute till how much, that is 5, P4 burst time, that is 4 के बाद 9, right. After that P6 will come, because here the priority is 6, here the priority is 6, here the 12 is maximum, because at that time all arrived. That's why P6 will come, that will be 13. After that this is done. After that who is highest, that is P7 is highest, so P7 will come. P7 आएगा तो P7 आने के बाद it will be 19, so P7 is done. So after P7 who is highest, that is P5 is highest, so P5 will come. P5 will execute till 20, because this is 1. Now P3 will come. Now after that 6 is highest, that's why P3 will come, that is 23. And P2 that is 4, that's why it will be 25, that is 2 is burst time, that's why it will be 25. ठीक है. So remember that always I am also getting confused here, that is priority, highest priority is, if anything is not mentioned, then take the maximum number is the priority. Maximum, whatever maximum number, that is highest, take like that, okay. And first check the arrival time, according to the arrival time, according to your time slot, who is highest, go for that priority wise, okay. ठीक है, लास्ट क्वेश्चन, आज का लास्ट, टुडेज लास्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज, देखो आप लोग बोल रहे थे वेस में सब कुछ हो गया क्या, इज इट रिक्वायर्ड और नॉट? यू आर टेलिंग दैट वेस इज डन, वेस में कुछ नहीं चाहिए, बट सी दैट हाउ मच इज देयर इन द वेस. Preemptive priority scheduling. because anything they can ask. What they will ask we don't know also. Anything they can ask. If your concept is clear, if you practice, then you will get the answer, otherwise they will not be able to do the answer. P number, priority, then arrival time, then bus time. 1 2 0 4 2 4 1 2 3 6 2 3 4 10 3 5 5 8 4 1 6 12 5 4 7 9 6 6 DBMS होगा यार, होगा. देखो, these are very important. From today's class at least 2 question will be there. Whatever we have done today, at least I am telling, at least 2 question is confirmed, because from the CPU scheduling every time question is coming, so that I am taking the class. ठीक है कल्याणी, I will take the other class also, because this is very important, we can't ignore. So CPU scheduling every year, every time question is coming, it is confirmed topic, and most of the students are ignoring that topic, that's why they are not able to do. See, phone battery is low. See, my battery is not low, but phone battery is low. Try to solve last question. PT, B plus T, definitely I will do. What is my planning? That is, now from today what will I will do? That is, we will not cover all the topic, we will cover only the important topic. BT, B plus T definitely I will do in this week. In this week BT, B plus T definitely I will do. ठीक है, because BT, B plus T most of the student have confusion, and definitely I will do Kalyani, don't worry, in this week only I will do. ठीक है. Preemptive priority means nothing else that every unit you have to check. For every unit you have to check. That's why this is preemptive. For every unit, every one unit you have to check. Priority is same. That is, highest priority is highest, maximum is the high. I am writing net chat. Maximum is high. See, I am writing here because नीचे जगह नहीं है. That's why I am writing here. Okay. So from 0, I am starting from 0. At the time of 0, who arrived? That is P1 already arrived. P1 arrived. Now at the time of 1. At the time of 1, who arrived? That is 1 already arrived. And priority is 4 now. So P2 will come. P2 will come till 2. Now at the time of 2, P3 already arrived and priority is 6. So P3 will execute. And here it will be 3, it will be 1, and now P3 is executing, that will be 3 here. After 3 it will be 2, right? So at the time of 3, who arrived? That is P4 already arrived and priority is 10. So P4 already arrived, that is 4. 4 already done, now it will be 4. Now at the time of 4, who arrived? At this time of 4 already P5 arrived. P5 arrived, right? And the priority is here 8. See, here the priority is 8. Now what you have to do? Here that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. At the time of 4, at this time of 4 already P5 arrived, but the priority is 8 here, and here the priority is 10, right? Here the priority is 8, here the priority is 10. So who will execute again? Who will execute again? Again P4 will execute, right? Because of priority is high. P4 priority is high. That's why P4 will execute. Now 5. At the time of 5, now P6 arrived. So here is 10, here is 8, here is 12. 12 is the maximum. So in this time P6 will execute, right? And when P4 will execute, that will be 4 के बाद that will be 3 here. Now P6 will come. So P6 will come, that will be 6, and here it will be 3, right? At the time of 6, who arrived? Already 7 arrived, but the priority is high here. The P6 priority is maximum. So P6 will complete its task, right? That's why P6 will complete its tasks till 9, because it will complete its tasks as this is complete, as this is high. That's why P6 will complete its tasks. So now P6 is 0. P6 will be 0. After P6, who will come? That is P4. P4 priority is high. So P4 will come. Now P4 is 3. So P4, yes, P4 will execute. So 9 के बाद 3, that will be 12. So now it is 0. So after P4, who will come? P5. P5 will come. P5 will be no, P5 नहीं, 7 है, 7 है. P7 is there, that is 9. So P7 will come here. P5 नहीं, that is P7 will come. P7 will come. There is 6. So after 12, 6, that is 18. Now it is 0. After that there is 8 remaining. So P5 will come, that is 19, that is 0. So after P5, now what is remaining? 8 हो गए. So 8 होने के बाद who is remaining? That is 6. 6 is remaining. So P3 will come. P3 will be 21. After P3, P2 will come, that will be 22, and P1 will come, that will be 25. ठीक है? This will be the answer. In that way you have to do, that is preemptive. This is preemptive priority scheduling. Okay, clear? Is it clear? P1, P2, P3, P4, P6, then P1, P2, P3, P4, then again P4, then P6, then P4, then P7, then P5, P3, P2, P1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 12, 18, 19, 21, 22, 25. Okay. आंसर मैंने भी नहीं किया. आंसर आप कर लो. कंप्लीशन टाइम विल बी answer will be like completion time. What will be the completion time? Completion time will be 25, 22, 21, then 12, then 19, then 9, then 18. That will be the completion time. So turnaround time will be, that is 25, 21, 19, 9, 15, 4, 12 turnaround time, and waiting time is coming, that is 21, 19, 16, 4, 14, 0, 6. Okay, here it was the process number was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and priority was, this was the priority was this, and arrival time. Okay, ठीक है. These are the answer coming from the priority and arrival time and burst time. The answer is coming like that. Sunita, it is your answer. This is coming. Sunita, your answer is coming this. Turnaround time and waiting time. It is coming, right? Clear? Is it clear to everyone? So all the scheduling is done today. Same, right? Okay. All the scheduling is done today. That is preemptive priority scheduling, non-preemptive priority scheduling, longest remaining fast, longest job fast, round robin, and SJF, shortest remaining fast, SJF, and the FCFS. Everything is done. All the scheduling is done with the theory, with the question, with the concept. Everything is done. Okay, I think from today's class definitely you will get at least 2 marks. 2 marks definitely you will get, right? All clear? Try to do the practice. थोड़ा practice करो, because practice is very important. Just try to do this question only. Don't go for any other question. Just try to do same question. If you practice one question 10 times, that will be better. ठीक है? That is my choice. Okay, bye bye everyone. See you again tomorrow. All concept clear? Very good. See you again tomorrow for remaining topic, that is CPU scheduling is done. See here 3 question was there. Tomorrow we will solve the previous year's question. After that we have to do deadlock and page replacement. Page replacement, there are so many page replacement algorithm, and deadlock another topic, and semaphore we will do. ठीक है? Okay, bye bye. Bye bye. Good night. Good night everyone. Tomorrow we will meet you again, and Kollani and everyone, don't worry, definitely I will take the class for the remaining topic also. Before exam, before at least 3 to 4 days, before 3 to 4 days, definitely I will cover all the important topic. Don't worry. all topic definitely not possible, but important topic definitely I will cover from all the unit. Okay, so try to be regular. Bye bye, good night, and please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Bye.